Okay, so this is an overview of what you'll find in the World Changers Charles Stark Draper kit. It's going to come with a baggie with a glue stick, that's glue dots, 10 popsicle sticks, string for your badge, a dry erase marker with eraser, a half a pack of sticky notes, and then these are your vocabulary words, flashcards, and that's your badge. That's already got a hole in it. The only other thing you're going to need is scissors and maybe some tape. So, in your kit, behind the flap is your straw and your skewer, wooden skewer. So, in here I'm going to have the parts list of all the stuff in the baggie, and there's going to be a QR code to this overview, and then how to make a gimbal that comes with it, and also how to do how to make the navigation game, and all the parts for the navigation game are in it. The game pieces, your compass, your dice page, and then there's one of your instruction pages where I cut off the game piece, another clear map, your map that you can detail the path, and your journal, and a QR code of how to play the game, which you can use the dry erase marker to mark on your stuff. So, part of it, the part that I wasn't going to mess up by printing it, all of your journal prompts, how to use it, all of the disclaimers, all the fact sheets, also your space puppet printables. This is your instructions of how to do it, your makerspace challenge. All that is here. The only one I printed out that was a puppet that's on cardstock is over here. There's your how do you make your dice. All of your pages like this. It's regular paper except for your puppets. And then, because this is just easier, you'll have a little ring that has your 3 laminated pages for your game. And then I've just put one hole in the stuff for your lap book. And then there's, so these are all pages for the lap book. There's several. And then your gimbal. These are cardstock. You got to cut them out. There's going to be a QR code of how to put it together, and then blank paper that you can either use for your lap book. You got to have 2 pages of it to make your gimbal, but that'll all be in here. So this is your whole kit.